So in this video, I will tell you how you can adjust playback speed on your YouTube videos or any YouTube video you want to watch. So first, click on any video you want to watch, and after that, you need to click on the settings. Then you need to go to playback speed. Here you can see playback speed. You need to click on playback speed. Now you can adjust any speed you want to watch the video. If you want to slow down the video, you can click on 0.5 or any speed you want to watch. Okay, so if you want to fast the video, you just need to repeat this. You go to playback speed, then you can select 1.75 or any speed, so the video will be fast forward to any speed you want to watch. This is how you can adjust playback speed on YouTube application.